Hi everyone, it's the Missus here, and today I am going to be doing that viral Japanese coffee color treatment. Well, no, it's a Japanese keratin mixed with a coffee color treatment. That's what it is.
Wild Rose Haven, homesteading.
I'm going to try to do a combination of two things that are totally viral right now on YouTube, and one of them is this keratin treatment that is a Japanese treatment that you use rice, and the other one is a coffee color treatment to be able to color your hair. And the only reason why I'm doing it is not because I'm trying to get rid of my gray hair, it's because I actually want to try and do another hair installation. And with this particular hair install, I want to be able to do a partial hair install, and I want to see if I can be able to color my hair naturally, and just so it can kind of blend a little bit better, and that's about it. Hopefully it won't be like I'm not looking really for a permanent thing, but you know, we'll see what happens. Even if I'm able to color it, I have been checking online for a while now to see if there's any actual results that I have seen that really worked. And I've seen a lot of mixes, but I haven't really seen too many results that were showing, except for one by Midlife Ride, and her video was really good. That woman, I tell you what, she went for it. She did it for a bit, and she tried it like different ways, and I thought I saw a little bit of a darkening of her hair. And from what I read online at different places, is that they said that it's something that can take, you can do over time. Now, the recipe that I've done is a bit of a combination of a few different recipes, and I figured, well, what the heck, the worst thing that could happen is that I won't get really dark hair, and my hair won't be as straight as it's showing in some of the pictures. Now, I will be doing I have an idea of what I want to accomplish with it and how to go about it. So I'm kind of using the information that, I am using the information that I found out there as far as figuring out a recipe that I will show you how, what I came up with, what my concoction is. And then the applications that, sorry, I'm still learning how to use the freaking camera. And then the applications that I'm going to be using to get the results that I want to achieve. Now, what's going to be the hardest thing for me to accomplish, I think the most, is the hair color. As far as the keratin treatment is concerned, the worst that's going to happen is that my hair is just going to be in better condition than it is now. And speaking of my hair and what condition it is then, let's go ahead and take a look at it. So, nope, there it goes. So this is my hair as it is. This is my hair washed. And and I have a little bit of leave-in conditioner in it, and that is it. I've had it up in a braid, and it's ready to go. The only thing I need to do right now is I'm going to dampen my hair before I apply the concoction onto my hair. So that way my hair will not be as dry, and it will be able to start absorbing the concoction sooner. And I'm not really sure how, the consistency of the concoction either. So I just want to make sure it's going to be able to have a bit more ability to slip through my hair, just in case I don't get it right. So we will see. All right, here's how you make it. I use ground coffee instead of instant coffee, mainly because I don't carry instant coffee in my house, and it really didn't seem to make a difference between one or the other as far as the results were concerned that I saw online. So I just went ahead and used what I had available for me here at the house. But if you happen to have instant coffee at your house, then you can go ahead and use the same measurements for this part of the coffee recipe, and it should work out just fine. And now I can get on with the rest of my homesteading task for this morning. hit it. Close the gate. You're okay. Yep, you're still right here. See? So when you start seeing your rice boiling, you want to turn it down to low at this point because you don't want it to boil over. And then make sure you give it a good stir so none of it gets stuck at the bottom of your pot and possibly start to burn. And then just keep an eye on it because you want to try to get it to where it's al dente, where you can pretty much, I would say, like push it up against the side of the pot, and it will break up. It's like not easy to smush, but it smushes. Once your rice starts bubbling, set your timer for 9 minutes and see if it's done after it goes off. Okay, at this point, it is at that dente stage. And we can go ahead and just shut off the heat. And you want to make sure you keep a little bit of the water in there, like that, because you're going to need it for the next step. So the ingredients I'll be sharing with you today for the all-natural keratin rice treatment and the all-natural coffee color treatment, I will be sharing the basic ingredients for those two recipes with you, although I will be adding my own organic nutrients into this recipe that I decided to omit for this particular video. Now, if you're interested in knowing what those nutrients are, which I don't feel like it would make such a big difference as far as the results are that I'm trying to go for in regards to the texture change and as well as the coloring of my hair, I didn't feel like it was really important for me to add those ingredients. But if you are interested in knowing more about that, then please put it in the comments below and I will consider adding those ingredients in the next video when I finally am happy with the overall results that I am going for in this video. All right, that being said, let's go ahead and continue. Oh, you know, I just thought of something. One, I just want to show you real quick. Look at how well that slips through. Wow, that's nice. Sweet. That's a fantastic. Well, if you need a detangler, there you go. Okay, so since I'm trying to color at the same time, this is the whole purpose. I'm trying to multitask here. We're going to put this on my most difficult areas first, because this is the part I'm concerned with, like that. Just like this. We're not caring. We're just putting it on, because you know why? I'll tell you why. I have so much here, like I can just saturate the crap out of my hair. I'm going to have tons left, so I might as well just put as much in here as I possibly can. And try to make this process go as fast as it can too, because I don't have to worry about burning my scalp. Ha ha ha! Yes, people! Holy smokes. Now if this actually works, no way. Alright, I'll be excited. Fun facts about rice and coffee. Starting with rice, which has been used as an Asian beauty ingredient for centuries. The Japanese, however, have been able to modify it as a method to smooth and, for some, permanently straighten the hair. Rice water has been used to detangle, reverse overhydration, and improve shine. Since it contains vitamin C, B, and E, it helps feed hair and strengthen the hair shaft. Oh, and interestingly, it can help reduce or hinder gray hair. Coffee has been used to color hair, but it can also rebalance pH levels in hair and the scalp, add additional sun protection, and the caffeic acid also has antioxidants and antimicrobial properties that may help protect the scalp against germs and boost collagen levels. Yeah, I wasn't planning on permanently straightening my hair, which this is supposed to do, the rice treatment, so I loosen my curls. I'll be down with some looser curls. All right, that'd be cool. The other thing that I'm hoping this is going to achieve is that it's going to help repair some of my split ends. Holy smokes. Wow. Hair's grown. Kind of crazy. It does feel like when you put relaxer in your hair, it kind of has that sort of like feeling to my hair right now. Just to kind of give you an idea of what the consistency is like. Oh, I probably should have done cleaner parts, but hey, whatever right now. There we go. Okay. Let me show you what I have. As far as shedding is concerned, I have a bit of shedding going on. So it's supposed to help with shedding. That's how much shedding I got from it. That's also because I didn't comb my hair before I started, so there's that. This is how much I have left. So it's like, I probably used about 3/4 of it. 3/4 for sure. I'm surprised. I'll be back in a bit and check on it. We'll check on it in about an hour, see where we're at. And then after that, looking good, still cooking all right. Then we'll go ahead and we're gonna leave it on for another hour, and that'll be it. We'll rinse it and see what we got. Okay, see you guys in an hour. Oh. So I decided to go ahead and reapply some more product here because it had some dry areas and I just wanted to make sure it was all well saturated. Dang, I'm not mad at it. So keep yourself notified because I will be posting after hair care treatment updates.
Y'all come back to Wild Rose Haven where we're doing it ourselves.